In phase 1, we helped Amey install 26 charge points and transition 90% of their company car fleet to electric. Today we're here at Amey's Sheffield site where we're in the process of installing 47 new chargers to accommodate the influx of their new electric LCVs. This is a part of Amey's ambitious decarbonisation journey, one that we at Novuna are really proud to be a part of.
We're one of 39 strategic suppliers to UK government, mindful of government's targets to try and decarbonise and reach net zero, and also working alongside things like the zero emission vehicle mandate. It was important for us to be more ambitious in that legislation and go and achieve our targets ahead of when legislation kicks in.
There's also a climate imperative. Every vehicle that we change to EV reduces emissions and gets us closer to net zero.
Amey have a very large and complex fleet, everything from company cars through to commercials, through to specialist assets. They have highways contracts, council contracts, so we see everything from gritters to sweepers to standard commercial vehicles. Because of the nature of Amey's operation, uptime is absolutely key. As Amey's fleet partner, we understand that for Amey to be able to service their customers, ultimately the assets need to be on the road. So when we're looking at their decarbonisation journey, we have to make sure that alternatively fuelled vehicles are ultimately fit for purpose.
The account management team at Novuna has helped bring the different aspects together. So our account management team in Novuna, working with the vehicle procurement team in Novuna and also the decarbonisation team in Novuna, has really helped us bring the fleet replacement and the infrastructure installations together at the same time.
In a depot environment like this, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Charging has to be bespoke. And that's where we came in. We listened, we mapped out every pain point, and we built a strategy around real-world operations. We ran focus groups, not just for buy-in, but for insights. Insights that help Novuna strategise Amey's decarbonisation.
I was really apprehensive about EVs coming into our section because of the distance that I do charging side of it, but I've been really surprised and I've really taken to it. I got the vehicle last week and I run it 4 days before I charged it, and when it comes to charging it was easy. You get down to a percentage, pull up to a charger, plug in, pick it back up in the morning and away you go.
We knew that driver confidence would be critical, and that's why we provided support from day one. And that means training, real-time tools and a system that makes their day easier.
In terms of the charge point management system, we will be able to see times vehicles have spent on charge, uptime in terms of the vehicle being available out into service, as well as downtime, any missed opportunities in deployment of the vehicle, but also we'll be able to see savings that were made, the cost of each vehicle in terms of its charge, its savings versus internal combustion engine vehicles, carbon savings, carbon efficiencies.
What we've found over the last couple of years is that ability to work with Novuna and their expertise in decarbonisation has really helped us on the journey so far. That ability to work with the leasing provider so we can look at the commercial vehicle fleet transition at the same time as the rollout of the workplace charging facilities has been invaluable to us.
I would recommend Novuna as a fleet partner. Their collaboration, their knowledge and their innovation with new solutions is fantastic for Amey.
As Amey's strategic account manager, it's been really important to ensure that Novuna understand Amey's operation and the use of these vehicles so we can help support Amey to decarbonise their fleet, ensuring the right vehicles are going into the right contracts and then they're supported with the right infrastructure. If you're a specialist fleet who's looking to decarbonise and you don't know where to start, let this be your proof. If you're searching for the right partner, get in touch with one of the Novuna team today.